Getembe kurigereria ebintu bigotumeka na mwanyabantu use obuya bw'ebintu bigotumeka na mwanyabantu KEBS kuria rero bomerana asumu chibusungu eri kurigereria ebintu ebyo na kibire bya na gusanga n'abamenyi b'ensemeyiga iguru yo gutumeka ebintu bitaraerwa n'echinga kimusakite Daniel Ontiri nigagotomanya
Inse ye wizara ya mangana yobonjoreria gose investment trade and industry asoma boganio yomo ime yomo chobosongo abo bisa kuru ya bisi yo kuligirira birengo bibintu au ye manyekanite buna Kenya Bureau of Standard KEBS nigo baligania igikaro nabo bwatani kuru achi sector au asigikaro gya koleka asobo gatakati bomo chobosongo kuligiriria na gusangirira birengerere byabo iguru buna barachi gutingia sector yo igitambokero abo bisa baiga abayeneke buna nkere nengenchenene.
We are also adhering to the principles of standardization, which include consensus. We are ensuring consensus at every stage. We are also adhering to openness as one of the principles of standardization, coherence, where we ensure that the draft or the standard that we are coming up with does not conflict with any other existing document or regulations or other standards. Also, there is a very important principle that we are observing, that is openness. That is where we are here to tell you this. We are currently drafting this standard. Please, let us take it as our collective responsibility to ensure we come up with a standard that is robust and acceptable in the motor vehicle industry as a solution.
Korengana na barabo kugania kororo wokonyora boye birengererio kurua sabatumeki bamachiko egati abo bisa abo bosombi walia abo boncholia egati yabande abalira guchako eneke buna ebirengererio byabo byatumikire ase kamiti yokorosia machiko igoro yebirengo byebinto.
We'll have their inputs taken care of, and we'll have our final draft standard that will go now to the Standards Council for approval, and the process now will be taken to the minister in charge. We will now go ahead and do gazettements, and a period of 6 months will be given for the public to absorb and understand what is supposed to be implemented, and then now it will be enforced.
Ugutumeka kwe mitandao yekerero asokorosia masakara yobolimo ne chiarama chikyombekega negati yarebo igakwanirwa bamentabona mbabegetomokia koenekia bakayirwa bo tibali gocha kogendera gosale sector yo asokobeka emero buli mikerenu gosire bikole byo.
Generally right now in terms of identification of genuine products and fake products, we are able to verify so many products just using the system. But remember, our customers who may not be privy to the system, we have our website, and through the website also, it is very easy for our customers to be able to verify on their own what is genuine, what is not genuine. Other than identification of genuine products, through the same system, through the website, a lot of information is provided, which now assist these customers to get the services which they require from KEBS without necessarily physically walking to KEBS.
Korengana nabo bisa baiga boyo kugania nkororo gukoene kibuna kende gyonsyo kugura gose gutumeka kebonete kebochano na mono chindagera nebinyuwa asa bantu batalinse ye maika 13 okuboli wabo igokwabe kwase chigali chimachine nebinto binde au haiga Kenya nonyembiria bikuru ase chinse chisiko koene kibuna mbirigereire na gwetigwa ne kyombekeiga Nkurubudirigeta seni kia Getembe kuruiga se kaunti ya Kisii litere nengoro kwa Daniel Ontiri.